Hi, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I believe you all are doing great wherever you are. My name is Nkem, mommy YouTube blogger, YouTube content creator, living in Enugu, Nigeria. Okay, so guys, I want to do something. I haven't done this on my channel ever since I started this channel. I don't think I have. Okay, I want to mukbang. Yeah, mukbang my local delicacy on this channel today. As I will be doing that, we'll be chit chatting. I'll be sharing one or two things with you guys as we will be enjoying that together. Okay, that's my local delicacy I am talking about. Like some people out there might know of it, some people might not know of it, but I will bring it to this channel. I'll also attach the link on how to prepare it on the description because I have shared on how to prepare it. The name of the delicacy is Abacha. Abacha. The English word is, what's the English word? Is it tapioca? Is it African salad? Choose whichever one you think it is. But between these two, I think that is the English word for this Abacha. Okay, let me get it so that you guys will see. Okay, guys, have a look. This is my local delicacy. Yo. Are you guys seeing it? I don't know if you guys are seeing it well. Okay. This is my local delicacy called Abacha. Abacha. A-B-A. Abacha. So guys, I'll be banking on this. What I mean is I will be eating this. I will be enjoying it. You can as well join me. Join me if you can anyway. I'll be enjoying it and be gisting with you guys. Without too much talk, let's dive right into the video. So guys, I told you this is called abacha. I prepared it myself. It's very sweet. I prepared it myself. It's not because I prepared it myself, that's why I'm saying that it's sweet. No. See, abacha is one food that even if you wake me up in the middle of my deep slumber, you understand? Like I'm snoring, I'm sleeping. Even if you wake me up, I'll say, okay, you can come and do this. I will do it perfectly well. I will give you the I sabi cook. Forget. There are this there are different formats of preparing this abacha. There are different formats of preparing African salad. And as you can see me, I know all of them. Quote me anyway. I'm serious. I know all of them. I am confirmed in babe. Mm-hmm. My water is there. Forgive my table manners. My water is on that table. So guys, what I have in here is my abacha. That is the main ingredient. I have my garden egg. I have my crayfish. I do fry my own crayfish. That is my own format, like my village format of preparing abacha. You have to fry the crayfish. Then the pepper, I fried it too. I have opaka here. Some people call it oba. They are all the same thing. I have my salt. I have my seasoning cube. That is what I have in here. But there is this another ingredient that I could have added. That is akidi, boro akidi. It's called green bean. Green bean. The link I will attach on my description where how like the steps on how to prepare it. Just watch the video. I will attach the link on my description of this video. You will watch it. I'm the one that did that. That was, I think that was last year, and I was still pregnant. That was when I prepared that one. So you can check it out. So assuming I was able to get that akidi, I could have added it. If you eat that one, you go and sell your land and give me the money to go and prepare this abacha for you. I have um garden egg. I have to cut it into tiny portions to put inside it. I'm yet to eat this one. I'll eat it later anyway. But this is the tiny ones I cut. In my own local delicacy, like in my village, if we are to prepare it, there is these tiny ones that we call mwe. I don't know. The English name is tiny garden egg. So assuming I got that one, so I could have added it, but I didn't see it. I have to cut this. But even at that, it's still giving. The taste of this abacha is giving. It's abachayan. This abacha is abachayan. Pepper. I must finish this food. Guys, I don't know how to. I don't know how to drink water in between my meals. Like if I'm eating maybe 1 or 2 spoons or 3 spoons, I will drink water. I don't know how to do it. I must finish my food before I'll take water and drink. If peradventure I should drink water, that is the end of that meal for me. So what I do is I must finish that food. Hmm. Hi guys, I feel like sitting before you guys and sleep. I like. Let me just sleep off. Alright. Good food is good though. It's good. So guys, I'm ending this vlog here. I'm ending this video here. If you have any questions regarding the abacha, I don't know if I gave the detailed explanation on how I did that. You can ask me in the comment section. I will gladly answer you. Meanwhile, I will attach the description of the link of how I prepared the one I did last year when I was still pregnant for my baby girl. It's still the format, it's still the same thing, okay? It's no, I didn't change any hand, it's still the format, and you will get exactly what you want, okay? Remember, this is Nkem TV. As a sign out, bye.